It's never been easier to get started playing Axie Infinity, and I'm going to tell you why. On December 27th, Axie Infinity announced that US customers can now buy ETH and SLP on Ronin using their credit card. In the past, you know that getting your money onto Ronin and buying Axies was an incredibly difficult and expensive journey. Now it's very simple. I was able to get my brother-in-law started playing Axie Infinity in about 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how. First, go to Axie Infinity's home site, click Getting Started. After you go to Getting Started, you first need to create a Ronin wallet. I've already made a video up here, how to create your Ronin wallet. Make sure you save your 12-word seed phrase. After you've created your Ronin wallet, you're first going to want to identify what 3 Axies you want to buy in the marketplace to know how much they cost, because you need to put money onto your Ronin account, but you need to know how expensive those Axies are going to be so you know how much money to put on your Ronin account. On the screen, I'm going to flash the top 3 Axies I like to give my scholars so you can search them out in the marketplace to get you started on the right track. So here are those 3 Axies in the marketplace. The plant is 157 at the time of making this video, the bird is 161, and the mech is 157. So that's a total of around $475. Just to be safe, I would send an additional $50 to your Ronin just to make sure you have enough in there. Now that we know how much we want to send to our Ronin account, go ahead and click on Buy ETH directly on Ronin. That brings up this window. Everything on the Ronin network uses WETH to purchase assets. So go ahead and click Purchase with WETH. Here it asks you how much money in US dollars do you want to send to your Ronin account. Like we mentioned earlier, it's going to cost us $475 worth of Axies. We're going to add an additional $50 just to be safe. So we'll say $525 that we want to send to Ronin. Go ahead and click Proceed. So go ahead and enter your email address here. It'll send you a link and it'll check your identification to make sure that it's you. From there, you're going to enter your debit card information, and that will allow you to transfer that amount of money onto your Ronin account. After you set the money to your Ronin account, now it's time to go ahead and set up our account. Go to Account Setup, click Axie Official Marketplace. From here, you're going to want to log in with your Ronin account if it's your first time. Click Login, go down and click Confirm. And if it's your first time logging in, you're going to want to set up your email and password to connect that to your Ronin account. Now that you've logged in, set up your account, now you have your WETH that you've already sent to your Ronin account. Go ahead and purchase those 3 Axies you were looking at earlier. So you would go here, select your Axie, and then click Buy Now. Go to your next Axie, select Buy Now. And lastly, you go ahead and click Download and Play. So this is pretty self-explanatory. If you're Windows, click Windows. If you're Mac, click Mac. They have a mobile version over here, and that will go ahead and allow you to download the client onto your computer or onto your mobile and get started playing Axie Infinity. So I hope that was helpful for you. Drop down in the comments if you have any questions about this process. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.